Hello my dear students, I hope you all are fine. Today in this video, let's continue our chapter which is light, shadow and reflection. This chapter is in physics. In the last video lecture, I hope you have enjoyed the story and so many students have shown their interest and answered the question of that filling the blank. Okay, so today I am going to reveal their names and then after we're going to continue our topic which is reflection. Okay, which is the last topic of our chapter. So firstly, let me congratulate to those three students who has answered correctly. That is, first one is Taslima Bhagat, second one is Arif Natha, and third one is Iqbal Delawala. Okay, I don't know their names are of the student's name or the parent name, but still I would like to congratulate to all of you that you have shown the interest and participate in this question. Okay, next time I would like to request to other students also that please come forward, show your interest and be a part of interesting learning. Okay, now today let me going to explain you what do you mean by the term reflection. Okay, so for reflection, just to observe this picture. In this picture, you can see that very beautiful mountain is there which is covered with ice. Okay, and this is the beautiful lake. So you can see that this shape or the mountain is been seen inside the water also. So what is this? Is this real mountain inside the lake? No. It is the reflection, or should I say mirror image of the mountain. Okay, now what is the reason कि भाई पानी के अंदर आपको ये mountain क्यों दिखा? तो उसका रीजन है that whenever you have any smooth even shiny object, मतलब पानी कैसा है एकदम स्मूथ है, उसकी सरफेस कैसी है इवन है. सो whenever the light is inciding मतलब उसके ऊपर पड़ना. So when light is inciding on a smooth and even surface, so at that time it is reflect back, or should I say bounce back. मतलब jumping ball आपको पता है, when you throw the jumping ball towards the wall, what will happen? It will comes back. So same way the light comes back from that portion and it is known as reflection. Okay, so reflection means what? The phenomenon of bouncing back of the light from the surface of an object is known as reflection. Okay, in the early morning, whenever you wake up and get ready, after that for combing hair or for different purpose, you just stand in front of the mirror and you can see yourself completely. Is there any person which is behind the mirror which is same look like you? No, it is nothing but your reflection. So what happened at that time? Let me explain you. Whatever the light falls on your face, that is been going to inciding on the mirror. मतलब आपके ऊपर पड़ने वाली लाइट है वो सीधा जाती है मिरर के ऊपर और वो मिरर स्मूथ है, शाइनी है और इवन सरफेस वाला है. इसलिए वो क्या करता है, वही लाइट को आपकी आंख के तरफ वापस फेंकता है और उसी की वजह से और बाउंस बैक करता है और उसी की वजह से आपको आपका फेस है वो मिरर में दिखता है. अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस इज नोन एज रिफ्लेक्शन. ओके, नाउ आप जो चीज देख रहे हो मिरर के अंदर वो क्या है? क्या वो आप रियल हो? नो, आप तो मिरर के सामने खड़े हो. ओके, सो मिरर के अंदर जो दिख रहा है वो क्या है? उसको बोलते हैं इमेज. क्या बोलते हैं? इमेज. इमेज मीन्स व्हाट? द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड इमेज. ओके, मतलब अपने ही जैसी एक चीज स्मूथ इवन शाइनी सरफेस में देखना उसको बोलते हैं इमेज. Understand? Whenever you click photo inside the camera, so at that time what is that inside the camera? It is of the image. तो उसको वो लिख के भी आता है image. Okay, so image means reflection of an object. Now moving to the next, let's do one activity to understand the reflection. आपको क्या करना है? What you have to do? You have to take one torch, okay, one mirror and one white paper or white cardboard, whatever that is your choice. Okay, no need to buy new. This all things will get you at your home only. So now what you have to do? You have to just switch on the torch so that the light which comes from the torch will inciding, मतलब पड़ना, किसी के ऊपर रिफ्लेक्ट पड़ना. सो इंसिडिंग रे मिरर के ऊपर आए, आपको उसको ऐसे मैनेज कर. सो उसकी वजह से क्या होगा कि जो लाइट है वो स्मूथ इवन शाइनी सरफेस के ऊपर पड़ती है, फिर वो वहाँ से क्या करती है, बाउंस बैक हो जाती है, मतलब वो वहाँ से दूसरी जगह पे मतलब बाउंस हो जाती है. कहाँ पे पड़ेगी वो? दैट इज ऑन द स्क्रीन, यहाँ पे पड़ेगी. और यहाँ पे आपको टॉर्च का बीम है वो छोटा सा राउंड ऐसा दिखाई देगा. सो व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज नोन एज रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द लाइट. अब जो रेज है वो मिरर के ऊपर पड़ी टॉर्च में से, उसको बोलते हैं इंसिडिंग रे ऑफ लाइट. क्या बोलते हैं? इंसिडिंग रे ऑफ लाइट. मतलब लाइट सोर्स में से जो लाइट है वो मिरर के ऊपर पड़ती है उसको बोलते हैं इंसिडेंट रे. और वो मिरर है वो लाइट को जो दूसरी जगह पे उसको बाउंस बैक करता है, मतलब कि ये A to B. सो A to B को बोला जाता है रिफ्लेक्टेड रे ऑफ लाइट. क्या बोला जाता है? रिफ्लेक्टेड रे ऑफ लाइट. Okay, so like this I hope you understand what is reflection. Next time I will going to tell you some other activities which is related with the reflection. Okay, till then just stay happy, keep smiling, have a nice day, bye.